Hello, my name is Joshua Brown from the interview training company howtobecome.com, and in this presentation I will teach you how to pass your accounting interview. So if you have an interview coming up for any accounting role, then please make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I'm going to help you to stand out and succeed. To achieve that goal, this is what we will cover. I will start off by giving you a list of accounting interview questions that I strongly recommend you prepare for, including some really tough questions. I will then provide you with some example high-scoring answers to those questions to help you to succeed. Plus, I'll also make sure to give you some essential tips for passing your accounting interview, before finally telling you how you can instantly download these slides, plus 30 great answers to accounting interview questions in a PDF guide. And just very quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to help you to pass your interview, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. And please don't forget to hit that like button, because this tells me you find these tutorials useful. Okay, let's take a look at that first accounting interview question, which is, tell me about yourself. Now I have two tips for you. Tip number one, this is a brilliant opportunity for you to get your interview off to a flying start and impress the hiring manager. You can be the standout candidate by focusing your answer on the skills and qualities that you have. Do not focus on your home life or your personal life unless it's relevant to the job role itself. Instead, focus on your experience and your passion for wanting to work in this accounting role, and also tell them how you're going to add value to their company. That's really important. A great way to do all of this is to make sure you study the job description and focus on telling them how your skills are a perfect match to those that they desire. So, for example, if on the job description they say they're seeking someone who is analytical with great communication abilities, then throughout your accounting interview answers, be sure to use those exact terms and back it up with evidence. So let's take a look at two brilliant top scoring answers. One for experienced candidates with experience already in accounting roles, and then we'll take a look at another top scoring answer for candidates with no prior experience or freshers. So let's take a look at those example answers now. Tell me about yourself. This option is for experienced candidates. Thank you for inviting me to be interviewed for this accounting position with your company today. I am an experienced accountant with a strong academic background and extensive experience in the accounting industry. I have a degree in accounting from insert the name of the university, and throughout my career, I've regularly been praised for continuously providing accurate financial insights and meeting strict compliance standards. From my time at my previous company, where I managed complex financial reconciliations, to my current job at my current company, where I oversee financial reporting for a wide range of clients. I've had jobs with increasing levels of responsibility. This has helped me learn a great deal about financial analysis, regulatory compliance, and risk assessment. I place high priority on continuing my professional development, as shown by the fact that I have achieved certifications outside of work and regularly attend industry seminars. My diverse range of skills includes high attention to detail, financial software proficiency, optimizing processes, and collaborating well with a team. Together, my careful attention to detail and my ability to analyze complex financial data make me a good fit for a team that upholds the highest standards of financial integrity and excellence. If you hire me, you can count on me to work hard and be dedicated to helping you reach your commercial goals. Wow, what a powerful way to kickstart your interview and be the standout candidate. Let's take a look at the next example answer. This is tell me about yourself for freshers or non-experienced candidates. Thank you for inviting me to be interviewed for this accounting position with your company today. I recently graduated from university with a degree in accounting. During my time in education, I learned a great deal about how finance works and grew passionate about discovering more about the intricacies of accounting. Even though I don't have direct professional experience yet, my internships and academic projects have given me the chance to put what I've learned into practice. I am proficient in accounting software such as Xero, Sage, and Oracle NetSuite, and I have strong analytical skills, which I showed when I worked on projects that required me to analyze and reconcile data with high levels of accuracy. My academic achievements and extracurricular activities show how much I want to learn and grow in the field of accounting. I am a hard worker with a strong work ethic who is willing to change quickly and learn new things. I'm excited to contribute my fresh perspective, technological proficiency, and hunger to embrace challenges to a team that values development and innovation. Having read the job description in detail, I feel this role is an ideal fit for me, and I'd love to start my career and bring my energy, determination, and dedication to getting things done right to a team of forward-thinking accountants such as yours. That's a super way to start your interview and be the standout candidate. Remember, by giving a confident answer like this to that opening interview question, not only will you impress the hiring manager, but you'll also gain confidence in the rest of your answers to come. Okay, let's take a look at the next accounting interview question, which is, why do you want to be an accountant? Now, when answering this interview question, make sure to highlight your strengths and passion for wanting to be an accountant or whatever the accounting position is that you're applying for. And my advice is to relate your answer to wanting high levels of responsibility and your enjoyment for being analytical and working with numbers. Again, let's take a look at a top scoring, brilliant example answer to help you. Why do you want to be an accountant? I am drawn to accounting because of the high level of responsibility the role provides. For example, it impacts how businesses operate and make decisions. I've always been a numbers person, and I have a deep appreciation for the precision and accuracy that financial management demands. Conversely, if I don't do my job well, the repercussions can be extensive. The level of accountability and responsibility really appeals to me, as I am someone who is analytical, works well under pressure, but also holds themselves to high standards. My aptitude for math and analytical problem solving naturally fits with the duties of an accountant. I find the duties of being an accountant rewarding, as I have the chance to navigate complicated financial data, ensure legal compliance, and offer insightful information to help clients succeed. I am a patient, curious person with exceptional attention to detail skills, which together make me the ideal candidate to work as an accountant for your company. Now, don't go anywhere, as I still have more interview questions and answers to give you, but when you're ready, click that link in the top right hand corner. It will take you to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can download my 30 accounting interview questions and answers for all accounting roles to give you the edge in your interview, including the ones we're covering right now. Okay, here's the next question for you. Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? Now, the hiring manager is asking you this question for two reasons. Number one, they want to know that you want to work for their organization for the long term. That's really important. They don't want to spend time, money, and resources to train you up for you to only decide the role isn't for you or their company's not for you and you to leave in a couple of months' time. And secondly, they also want to know that you're ambitious and that you have a vision for your professional development, and in turn will add value to their organization. So let's take a look at a brilliant top scoring answer to help you. Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? In 5 years, I see myself progressing within the company to the point where not only am I a well-respected accountant by my peers, but I've also taken on further responsibilities and developed professionally. I believe that in 5 years, I will have proved myself as an invaluable member of the team. I intend to accomplish this by advancing my knowledge and skills, taking on new challenges and opportunities, and cultivating close bonds with my co-workers and clients. In addition, I'm eager to take on more duties, perhaps mentoring more junior team members and working cross-functionally to promote growth. I am dedicated to the company's mission and core principles, and I hope to contribute to its success in the long run. Okay, the next accounting interview question is, why do you want to work for our company as an accountant? This is a really important one to get right, and it's a tough question to get right. It is designed to weed out those who are applying en masse for all accounting firms. The hiring managers instead want to find those that truly respect and have a desire to work for their company in particular. And tip number 2 here, you must demonstrate your passion for their accounting firm. So show you understand their brand and their reputation, and that you have a commitment to wanting to work for them for the long term. Let's take a look at a great example answer to help you. Why do you want to work for our company as an accountant? Having researched your company in depth, I'm genuinely excited by your company's reputation for supporting innovation and adopting cutting-edge accounting methods. You are an accounting firm that sets high standards, and the positive online feedback you get from your clients shows that you want to give them an excellent service based on their particular financial needs. Having reached out to your current and former staff on LinkedIn, I have heard nothing but great things about the positive work environment that you encourage and the opportunities of professional growth. I am eager to work on a team that places a high value on both the individual development and group accomplishment, and I feel you will support me in my role and encourage me to continue to develop and improve. For these reasons, I would be proud to work for you as an accountant. Now, in preparation for your accounting interview, I also recommend you prepare answers to the following questions. Describe a time when you handled a difficult client. Describe a time when you had to work to a strict deadline. We are looking for someone who is willing to be flexible in this accounting role. Describe a situation you were in when you demonstrated flexibility at work. Within this particular accounting role, you will often have to deal with difficult clients. How would you deal with an irate client or customer? Why do you want to work in this accounting role? And what can you specifically bring to our organisation? Tell me about a time when you showed extraordinary attention to detail. Describe a time when you managed multiple tasks all at once. How do you communicate your processes to clients without technical knowledge? Why do you want to work for our company as an accountant? When have you worked as part of a team to complete a difficult task? Describe the biggest mistake you've made in accounting. What skills and qualities do you have that are a match for this accountant role? Now, if you want to get the full list of 30 accounting interview questions, and if you want to accelerate your learning even further and pass your interview at the first attempt, click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video for 2 reasons. The first reason is that it will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can get all of these answers we just covered, plus a total of 30 brilliant responses to accounting interview questions. And secondly, the next reason is I've given you 3 smart questions to ask at the end of your accounting interview on that page. It is a brilliant resource guaranteed to help you prepare effectively for your interview, and also more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. Make sure you check out that link. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos just like these. If you have any questions regarding any interview, please do let me know in the comment section below so I can get back to you with even more interview tips and advice. And finally, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best for your interview. Have a brilliant day.